Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to accept friend requests on chase.com. First of all, launch open chase.com application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here chase.com application has been opened. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the friends icon. Simply tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the friends interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find the section for friend requests over here. Right over here, you'll be able to see all the friend requests that you've got. So if you want to accept the friend request, what you have to do is tap on this right icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here users accepted the request. So like this, you'll be able to accept the friend request. So that is how you accept friend requests on chase.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.